look like a total wreck because I just came back from school. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, as you saw in the first clip of this video, I came back from school and it was my first day of 6th grade. So I'm currently in middle school. So today I'm going to be doing a video with slime. And we are going to be doing how to make your slime less sticky. So my slime is very sticky except for one, so we are going to make it less sticky. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with the slime. You can't really see it though, which is sad. I'll just use one of these toilet papers. Maybe it will work. Oh, not yet. This last toilet paper. So this nice stand right here, guys. So, total mess. I'm currently filming in my garage. I'm sorry there's not that good light. But here's a slime. And so I figured out since maybe that you make slime with like laundry detergent. So I decided maybe laundry detergent will make my slime less sticky. So I personally like Tide, but I don't make my slime with laundry detergent anymore. But to make it less sticky, you just use laundry detergent. So let's open this beautiful baby, which is currently looking very sticky. So yeah, maybe I just can't really see myself though, so it doesn't matter if you can't see the slime. Because my camera's right up here because and I'm not professional and I don't use a regular camera like normal people, but it doesn't matter. Some people use their phones, but okay, so here's the slime. All these are basically fluffy. So you can start with a big spoonful and just drizzle it. And then just go like that. Make sure you get all of it off and put it back in there. So here it is what it looks like. I'm gonna add a little more actually. Okay. So now if you want to use your hands first, or first I'm going to be whatever. I'm just going to be using my spoon first and then I'll use my hands. And then I figured if you can make slime with laundry detergent, then that means maybe it'll make it less stickier. Because sometimes if you use laundry detergent, it turns out hard. Some people do it right, but some people do it like me. So, just love the way fluffy slime feels. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to like that. Because whenever slime's wet, it does not like form or nothing. So yeah, that's just okay. Now I'm gonna start mixing with my hands. It's kind of sticky. Oh, it's starting to be less sticky. Maybe that tip works. Oh, this is my shirt though. It's like so relatable. Okay, back to slime. So it's like getting less stickier actually. I'm standing on a roll of toilet paper currently, so you guys can see me better. So now we're gonna start with the ASMR. But you can't really see that. But let's put the slime down. And I'm going to be doing an ASMR, even though you can't really see the slime. Maybe I should do it at the bottom. ASMR. There we go. So. Oh, yeah. On to the next slime. Okay guys, so that method worked, and we're not trying any different methods. We're just going to be going with the same. Super bold toilet paper. So here's my orange slime, which became really sticky because, well, I don't know how it came so really sticky, but we're going to be doing the same method and a drizzle, and then just a little bit more. Gonna mix it like around, like here. Gonna mix it like basically like if you're doing cake, but in like a container. There you go, just like starting to fall out though. kind of icky when it doesn't have like the slime formation though. Now for slime, I usually make fluffy slime. So I use like contact solution, foam shaving cream. Now it's start to do it with my hands. Foaming shaving cream, and yeah. I want to try the baking soda method. I heard it works real good. So, ASMR time. Okay guys, so that message was a success. Now we're going to try with this really sticky blue slime. Well, actually, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I couldn't find anything else, so I'm going to have to work with what we have. And this slime is like very sticky. I hardly play with it anymore. But I thought of the thing, like the laundry detergent. So we're gonna start with a 2 full spoonfuls. So we're gonna start to include this. It's very sticky and icky and disgusting. You know what, we'll do that at the end, but since, yeah. Ew, stuck on me. So let's use the spoon. It's kind of like baking though, like slime baking. Have you seen like those ASMRs that have the slimes that look like boobs? They're so awesome. And then people who mix their slimes. I don't have the guts to mix my slimes actually. Ew, as you can see, it's still really sticky. Like a little more laundry detergent. By the way, I am not sponsored. We haven't been sponsored yet. Hopefully in the future we'll be sponsored. My cousin though, so I'm not gonna start. I'm using the the washing machine to do this stuff because I decided since it's basically a good idea, maybe. Oh my god, guess what guys, today there was a solar eclipse. I hope you guys saw that. I mean, I didn't, but I saw it on TV and it looked really cool. So, I hope everyone got to see it because my brother did. Because he got a very nice teacher. And I had English at this time. So my teacher, he's nice, but he wasn't like that nice. I like my math and PE teacher, and I think I liked also social studies and science. Put a little bit of laundry detergent. I decided since I don't make slime with laundry detergent anymore, why not try to make a sticky, non-sticky recipe on how to make your slime less sticky. So that's why I wanted to make this video. So I'll be back when this is all done, and then it'll be an ASMR. And before we do a ASMR, I wanted to point out that I had to add a lot of laundry detergent and that I look like crap. So let's get to the ASMR. I'm like legit so happy this is my last slime. And this slime is very, very, very sticky. Like, I don't like it. I need my spoon. I think I'm gonna film another video after this because I'm getting into filming. Drizzle. Drizzle. I'm running out of laundry detergent. Drizzle. Gonna mix that up. I'm gonna use my hands this time since it's the last slime. I may do another slime video after this, maybe. Like how to make slime with laundry detergent. Which is actually really easy, I mean. I'm gonna take it out of the container. And since I only have 15 minutes to film on this, I will be back when it's all done for ASMR. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Click a like and subscribe in the comments down below. Tell me if you love slime. Thanks for watching. Bye.